good? It's your girl Nye, and today we are doing my favorite scent ever, which is cocoa butter scented shower routine. So first things first, let's go ahead and wash the face. I'm going in with the Neutrogena Deep Clean Cream Cleanser. I've been using this cleanser for years. I really like it. It's very gentle and it also is very cleansing. So if you made it this far into the video, and if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. It is absolutely free and we would love to have you here. Okay. So after I finish washing my face, I'm just giving my body a nice little rinse, and I'm going in with the Dove Antibacterial body wash with my African bath sponge. So the scent of this soap was very fresh and it had a really nice lather. It was very cleansing but also moisturizing as well. So of course I'm using this soap to cleanse my body. I'm making sure I'm getting behind my ears because I do not want the back of my ears to be smelling like quarters, nickels, and dimes, because ew, who wants that? Also getting my neck, getting the front of my neck, the back of my neck, under my arms, giving my body a nice little scrub down. And this soap is antibacterial, so that is perfect to be getting all them germs off of my skin. Like I said, this body wash was cleansing and moisturizing at the same time. I really did like it. I do want to try out the bar soap for this, so when I run out of this body wash, I will be getting the bar soap. So now that my body is all nice and clean and I done rinsed off, now it's time for the fun part. And y'all know I wash my body twice. So the second body wash I'm going in with is the Dove Coconut Butter and Cocoa Butter Scented Body Wash. And I'm also using my silicone loofah. Y'all, oh my God. I feel like I was in heaven because the smell of this body wash was oh so good. Like I said, I really love the smell of cocoa butter, and this body wash right here just hit the spot. And y'all, my shower was smelling oh so good. So I'm just making sure that I'm getting every part of my body with this body wash so I could just be smelling all good and yummy. Y'all, can we get into this lather? Y'all know we love a good lather around here. Go ahead and comment down below some soap bars inside the comment section so I know that you're still here rocking with your girl. Also, can we get into the baby bump? Like, hey belly. By the time y'all see this video, I will probably already have had my baby by then because I do pre-record my videos. But yeah. Y'all see me struggling trying to clean my back. So of course we got to take care of the downstairs area, and I'm just using the Honey Pot normal feminine wash, and I am back. So now let's go ahead and scrub this body. I am using the Dove body polish in the scent brown sugar and coconut butter. And y'all, I was amazed with this body polish because like I mentioned in one of my videos, I tried the body polish before and I did not like it, but since this one is a deep exfoliant, it really kind of remind me of the Tree Hut scrubs, but not too much because it's not as intense as the Tree Hut scrubs, but you definitely do get a nice exfoliation from this body scrub. So I really enjoyed that, and plus the scent was oh so good. But y'all, this body scrub is a little messy, but it got the job done and my skin was feeling oh so smooth. So now that the body is cleansed and exfoliated, let's go ahead and add a moisturizer. So the moisturizer I'm going in with is the Nivea and Shower Body Lotion in the scent, you guessed it, cocoa butter. I really love the smell of this in Shower Body Lotion. I also like how it moisturizes my skin, and it is awesome because you can use this inside the shower and you don't have to worry about getting out the shower and putting on some lotion. Like, you could literally just put this on, rinse it off, dry off, put on your clothes and go. But I still like to add extra moisture to my skin, but you can if you want to. And that's why I really love this in Shower Body Lotion. Super moisturizing, non-sticky, not greasy, so it's amazing. So I am done and out of the shower, and the most important step is to pat your body dry. Make sure it is a little damp, so whenever you add your moisturizer of choice, your skin will just absorb it like really good. So I'm going in with this oil from Palmer's. It's the cocoa butter formula with vitamin E skin therapy oil, and y'all, I really love this oil. First of all, it smells just like cocoa butter. It smells like all the Palmer's cocoa butter scents, so if you haven't smelled that, go ahead and go smell it. But anywho, y'all, I love this oil. As y'all saw, I am almost done with it, so I am very sad about that. I really need to get some more, but the way how this just moisturizes my skin and how it just leaves my skin with a nice beautiful glow is just everything. I'm just taking my favorite deodorant from Arm & Hammer in the scent coconut, because like, why not? It's not going to clash with any of the scents that I'm using. And then I'm going to take my Palmer's cocoa butter formula. I got the big jug because I love this product here. It's nice and thick, super moisturizing, and I just like how it just melts into the hands once when you rub it together, and when you apply it on the skin, like, it just makes your skin all nice and soft and shiny and ooh. And then we can't forget about the smell. The smell is just the icing on the cake, honey. Okay, so I'm just making sure that I'm applying that everywhere on my body. This nightgown is from Walmart, if anybody is wondering. I did do a haul, so yeah, make sure you go ahead and check that haul out. And if you see something moving in the background, my son was sleeping, so yeah. Of course, we gotta end this video with some smell good. I'm using the Mix Bar perfume in the scent Vanilla Bourbon. It smells absolutely amazing. I'm just using that to bring out any vanilla scent, and then I'm gonna top that off with this Toka Bean perfume, and that one smells really good as well. It has this vanilla almondy warm scent, so I thought both perfumes was perfect for this video. But yeah, that is all for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.